Hey, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm going to be creating a video on how you can use Canva to have a Bratz font in your design. This could be for birthday flyers. This could be for a design that you're creating, a digital product you're creating for Etsy. It could be any type of graphic that you're creating and you want to have the Bratz theme. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so you do have to have a pro account for this. So unfortunately you do. But if you do have a pro account, then you'll be able to implement this within your designs. And I'm going to get right into it. So if you go over here, if you didn't know already, that Canva has hidden font. So instead of going to text, you're going to go over to elements and you're going to type in Bratz font right here. And as you can see in the graphics section, it will pop up and you have all these letters. All you have to do is click these three dots. You can type Bratz-style font in there in the element section, and then also you're going to go ahead and hit view collection, and this will show you all the letters within that collection. I don't know, sometimes people hear the set information online, and so this is what they're referring to find the different letters. You do have to have, once again, a pro account to be able to use this. But so if you do, you'll be able to do this. So what you're going to need to do is go ahead and get your letters that you want to create the word Bratz. And, you know, depending on what type of design you're creating will determine how big or small that you create these letters. And of course, you want to make sure that they are lined up with the right or same sizing. So I use that little red line as an indicator that it is lining up with the previous letter. And all the way down here would be alignment because of how this R falls. And then we're just missing the Z. And we have it right here. Once we have all of the letters aligned, what you can do is go ahead and highlight them all and hit group. And that way you can be able to move it around on your graphic design flyer, whatever you're creating, birthday flyer. And if you want to go ahead and change the colors of this to go with the color theme of your flyer, all you have to do is you only can change the front color, which is the pink. So you're going to pick something that goes with that. It is Bratz, so you're probably going to, you know, depending on the theme, you're going to want some type of pink, and you can change the shade of pink. The shade of pink, you can make it black, you can make it a different pink. You can go over here and make it purple instead. So, and in order to get the exact same color, you can just select here and select the color over here, or you can go ahead. Yeah, so that would be the best way. I was going to say copy style, but when they're grouped, you can go ahead and select the color over there. Now, this is how you can have the Bratz font on your design that you're creating in Canva. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. And if you want to see my design that I created of an actual Bratz birthday flyer, please let me know down in the comment section and I will drop that video next. Bye-bye.